Right then, this is another motorcycle, Tinplate Motorcycle video I have for you here. Yeah, this isn't the first time I've done this either. The first time I got it wrong, so I've remade it. So, to start off with, we have this one. This is Japanese, made by Hero in the 1960s. This is the tumble over motorbike. Yeah, it's made of tin plate and plastic. You wind it up, it goes along, it does a somersault. Yes, that's the idea anyway. It does work. I just don't have enough space for it to do it on. Anyway, we'll see about that later, shall we? Then we have this one. This one here. Now, this one is Hungarian. It says on the petrol tank there's an L, so we can only assume it's La Mazzarigaya, which I would assume it is, because anything with an L on it anywhere is that. This is rather nice. It's friction drive. All the wheels go round. It's colourful and beautiful, don't you think? I do. I think it's great. I really think it's good. And it works. They all work. Well, to some extent they all work. And then finally, we have this Russian one. Now this Russian one is weird. Tell me what you think about this. Look at that. Yep. It's big. It's big. It used to be red. Yeah, there are some plates on it. Some places on it where you can see some of the red is through the faded yellow. I like the rider. I think it's great. I think the whole thing of it is brilliant. I think it's gorgeous. Is that you? It's clockwork. It purports to work on the same principle as a Technofix motorbike, as it would do, being Russian, and but the motor is weird. Sometimes the ratchet holds the spring, and sometimes it doesn't. I don't want to take that motor box apart, just in case that spring comes flying out, and you know, I just like to keep it the way it is, because it's so weird. But I think it's beautiful. Anyway, so there. That's a big one, isn't it? It says as who says, as I do. Right, so we'll unplug this and see what I can do with this now. Right, so trying to get something for these to run on. Well, I don't know. See, this Japanese motorbike, will it run on here? I don't know. What do you think? It whines. And hear it, can't you? You hear that riding? Will it run on here? I don't know. If it doesn't, this video will end. Oh, it does. Yeah, but when does it do the somersault? That's the question. It doesn't do it, does it? Oh! There you go. There you go. It does do the somersault. Let's wind up a look. Let's get these other ones out the way so it's got more space. this one's clockwork, that's wound up. Well, let's get this out of the way, wind it up to its most extent, so we can make it do. 1960s, this is the Hero motorcycle. Let's see what it'll do. Come on. Oh. It wants to go round in a circle. Yeah, I don't want you to do that. I don't want you to go backwards. He wants to go backwards. It's like a beetle. There's some beetles that do that, isn't there? So you get the idea of that then, don't you? You know, you need space to run this, which I don't have, of course. So there's that. That's the idea of what that does. You know, the mechanism there. Yeah, it's very much like the Mark's rollover tank, which I gave to Rick Murphy. It does a similar thing to that, but only more in more violent way. So now this is the Hungarian one. I'll have to get that thing back so you can see this. Yep. Here we go. It's Hungarian one, the Lemezirigaya. Yes, it's nice enough, isn't it? Don't you think so? Yeah, so this friction drive. Yeah, I'll show you how that goes. See, it runs nice, doesn't it? It runs good. Yeah, that's proper, that, isn't it? Yeah, that's how that one goes. Anyway, so that's that. And then we got the problem with the Russian one. Now, I don't know how many of you watch my Russian toy videos. There's always a problem with them, isn't there? Same as there's a problem with this one. The clockwork motor is in that box on the back wheel. Now, sometimes the ratchet connects with the spring arrestor, and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, it was sold to me as working, but you know, what kind of working is up to you. It does work. Sometimes it works better than others. I'll tell you what it does. Here, take a look at this. So, you wind this up. Yeah, you see that? See that? It just wants to go back to the beginning. The spring arrestor is not doing it, is it? So you hold the back wheel like this and wind this key round like this. Yeah. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then this is how the back wheel runs. Hang on, yeah. See? Actually makes a noise like a motorbike too. Oh, this is so difficult, isn't it? Why does everything have to be so hard? She says, I don't know. It just is. So yeah, but that's good enough, isn't it? I think so. I don't want to take that motor box off that back axle because I'm afraid of what might happen if I did that. That the spring might come out and fly away and I'll never get it back together. So anyway, there you go everyone. That's the motorbike video for this time. Like and subscribe. Always give me a thumbs up, because I've noticed I'm not getting enough thumbs up I'm getting lots of views, but not enough thumbs up. So always do that, especially you, Rick. Okay? So, have fun, everyone, and